Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm actually going back home to Bosnia on a little trip. So before I go, I'm just going to update you a little bit on my collection right here. As you can see, Zeo Red and Mighty Morphin Blue came in. I also found pink S.P.D at a Target. And then I went to the local Walgreens here and I was surprised that they still had the Dino Thunder White figure. So that's what it looks like so far. And let's go to the airport. And here comes the metro train that I will take to the airport. And here I am at the San Francisco International Airport station. Alright, I've got my tickets. I got through security. Now let's head on to the gate. I've got a window seat right next to the wing. So Bosnia, here I come.